Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Run Cosmetics, Nails and Makeups. So today's video we're going to do a makeup tutorial, more like a glamorous kind of look, you know, for
I know.
For Maria.
From Russia.
Yeah, I think you should say in Russia. I'm Maria.
Всем привет, меня зовут Маша, Мария. И сегодня гениальная сискина, сиска, is going to
Do the makeup for her. Alright guys, let Maria enjoy her drinks while she can. I'm just joking. So here I'm using everyone face wipes. You guys can use any face wipes or baby wipes, whatever. Micellar water with the cotton pad is also okay because she just came back from the event. So you know, like I need to remove her leftover mascara and dust. Remember to be gentle. Jadi guys, kalian bisa pakai baby wipes atau micellar water ya, makeup remover apa aja juga boleh. Jadi intinya kita harus bersihin dulu wajahnya karena dia baru balik dari event. Jadi kita mau seperti kanvas putih, oke? Pastikan kalian harus pelan-pelan ya bersihin makeupnya. So we have to moisture her face first. Jadi kita harus moisture atau kasih pelembab dulu ke wajahnya biar jangan kering. I don't know, I hope you guys can see. This is the Body Shop Drop of Youth serum. Now go back to her face. Just use a few drops. Jadi pakainya beberapa drop saja and then massage it into her skin and leave it for a while. Because she's blonde, we're gonna need something lighter. So I'm going to use a Fifa eyebrow pencil. This is a brand from Indonesia. Jadi gue bakal pakai Fifa ya, pasti semuanya udah pada tahu, untuk memframing atau membingkai alisnya. So this eyebrow pencil's purpose is to just draw a frame for her eyebrows so that it will be easier for me to fill up and create a shading with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade in the shade of dark brown. And you just need to brush up the front of her eyebrows to create sort of like a, you know, shading effect, and then clean up the edges of the eyebrows by using concealer. Okay, so now we're going to use the primer from Fenty Beauty. You know, this is my favorite brand ever. The primer just works wonderfully, and Maria can't wait to have it on her face for today makeup look. Jadi gue pakai primernya dari Fenty Beauty, ini bagus banget ya. So now I'm going to use foundations from Fenty Beauty and along with LA Girl Pro Coverage HD something. So jadi gue pakai LA Girl Coverage yang pemutih foundations ya. So this is whitening foundation. So if you have a dark foundations and happen to be, you know, like not happen to be, but happen to have white or pale or fair skinned client, then you can use this to mix up and to whiten or brighten the foundation. Jadi kalau kalian punya klien yang kulitnya keputihan, jadi kalian bisa pakai LA Girl ini untuk membantu memutihkan foundation yang ada daripada beli kebanyakan foundations. Of course, now I'm using Beauty Sponge by Real Techniques, and then I just try to, you know, make her neck similar color to her face because she just had like a sunburn kind of thing. So I use this from Huda Beauty Foundations Fox Filter. It's really nice. So I just want to sort of like show Maria how is the coverage for her sunburned, and she kind of like it actually. And now we're jumping to the contouring. Jadi kita contouring wajahnya dulu ya. Seperti kayak jidatnya itu kebesaran ya, jadi kita kecilin dulu dengan Wonder Sticks from NYX. Jadi kalian bisa pakai contour cream apa aja. You guys can use any contour cream, anything, okay? I just found this really, you know, works really nice for me, and it works nice on Maria too. So now we're going to highlight her forehead. Jadi kita highlight dulu keningnya. And then the bridge of her nose, and of course we are going to conceal her, you know, under eye. Jadi kita conceal bagian matanya bawah matanya supaya mata pandanya hilang. Terus highlight di bagian hidungnya, jembatan hidung ya, the bridge of the nose, supaya lebih mancung. Dia sih udah mancung, biar lebih mancung lagi. Anyway, so now we're going to bake her face. Jadi kita baking dulu wajahnya ya. So I use, my favorite Laura Mercier's translucent powder. And now we're going to use the contour powder from NYX palette, contour and highlighting. So I use a lighter color for her bridge of the nose. You don't want to be very obvious. So now I'm going to use eyeshadows from this palette. This is Morphe 35 OG. Jadi gue bakal pakai eyeshadow yang ada di palette Morphe 35O ini. Oke? Nah, jadi gue nggak tahu namanya apa. Intinya kalian lihat aja prosesnya. Nah, gue bakal ambil warna-warna yang pudar dulu untuk ciptain transition colornya. Kemudian untuk di inner corner of her, not the inner corner, but the outer corner of her eyes, I start taking, slightly darker color in order to create that smoky eyes look. You know what I mean? So now we're taking the concealer. I use the Nailart concealer. This is the brand from Korea, from Japan or from Korea, I'm not sure. Jadi gue pakai Nailart ya, yang udah gue campur dengan LA Girl concealer untuk menciptakan, atau bukan untuk menciptakan sih, tapi untuk membuat cut crease di matanya Maria. And take your time slowly because you don't want to mess up. You need to have a very precise cut crease, as you guys can see now. It's perfect. And after I'm done with the cut crease, I'm taking my flat brush and then setting spray from NYX. You guys help me with this. And then I'm taking the shimmery eyeshadows from the same palettes from Morphe, and then press it into her eyelids. Well, you can use your finger too, as long as it's clean. And then I'm taking the old brush and with the darker colors of the eyeshadow from the same palettes too, to sort of like blend it out. And now to give the kind of glamorous effects, glamorous look on her eyes, I'm taking from a pressed glitter from the Beauty Glaze. Nah, ini tahap yang paling gua benci. This is the step that I really hate, is to apply eyeliner on somebody else's eyelids. But it turns out really beautiful. I'm proud of myself. And since we're still playing with the eyes, I let her apply the mascara by herself. Jadi ini mascara dari Benefits Cosmetics, Bad Girl Bang. Ini mascara yang gue bilang bakal cantik kalau matanya secantik ini. Nah, kalau matanya kayak gue, selamat deh. And then I'm just fixing a little bit of her eyeshadows, and then now I'm going to apply a darker eyeshadows on her lower lashes. Jadi gue aplikasikan eyeshadow yang agak gelap di area bawah matanya supaya lebih berkesan dramatic, something like that. And then I'm taking a blush on from this palette. This is from NYX highlighter and blush on at the same time, Born to Glow. And from this palette, Genius Strobing Palettes from NYX, I'm taking the highlighters to highlight her cheek, her bridge of the nose, chin, and forehead to give, a glowing effect. And then I setting all of her face, her makeups with the setting spray from NYX. This is the matte finish because she already has so much glowing on her face. Jadi gua setupnya pakai NYX ya, yang matte finish. And then I let her choose her own lipsticks. Jadi ini lipstick dari Colourpop yang Calypso. It looks so nice on her. Jadi ini hasil dari soft glam makeup look for Maria. Semoga aja kalian suka. Jangan lupa subscribe di YouTube channel gue, share video ini, kalian cobain, dan plus jangan lupa komen di bawah ya, mau makeup tutorial apa lagi atau review produk makeup apa lagi yang kalian mau. Bye. So this is the final looks. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Say it in Russia. Spasiba. Anyways,
Yeah, she already said that.
anyways, subscribe to my channels and hit the notification bells down below so you won't miss anything from me. And
Спасибо всем. Увидимся.
see you guys
See you
next
guys.
video. Bye.
Bye.
What are you talking about? It's recording. Oh my god. Yeah. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Red Cosmetics, Nails and Makeups.